it's actually in this beautiful place that this love story actually began. Back in 2015, Ryan made his way to Whistler in search of snow. He set up an app to meet new people in the area who shared his appetite for adventure. Enter Miss Nancy. Although the two never met up while he was here, they stayed in touch after he returned home. In August of that same year, Nancy took the leap of faith and she flew to Maui. What was happening at the time was a beautiful woman was flying a couple thousand miles over the Pacific to meet up with him. And a gesture like that deserves some respect. So what you should do is go ahead, show her the time of your life, and take her on an adventure. The two have been adventuring ever since. And here we are 7 years later, celebrating the start of one of life's greatest adventures, marriage.
Ryan Alexander Fuller, I need to prepare to smoke you with my vows. So here we go.
My beautiful Nancy, you have given me the best 6 years of my life. So today I vow to take you as my wife and care for you and love you forever.
I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in your dreams and goals, and to respect you.
When you need a best friend, you will have your best friend.
To be loved by you is the greatest feeling anyone could ever experience, and I get to experience that every day for the rest of my life.
I love you, Nancy, and I appreciate all you have done. And yes, you have smoked me today.
You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to announce for the first time, officially, Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Fuller.
Ryan, my husband, I'm honored to be standing by your side. I love you today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of our lives.
I will love you forever and make sure you're happy and just continue to add value to your life. I look forward to this journey that we will be starting together. I can't wait for this ride.
There was a point in his life where he wasn't sure if he'd ever get married or ever had kids, and then you enter his life. I'll be forever grateful for that, for you being you, and being the love of Ryan's life. I'm excited as you two embark on this exciting journey as newly married couple.
The love and joy that you have for one another emits strongly, and I couldn't be happier that your lives are getting fuller by being with one another. Congratulations, Nancy and Ryan. Here's to you both finding your person for life.
Thank you for bringing joy and happiness into Ryan's life. It takes a very special person to accept Ryan for who he is. I know you're the one for Ryan because of how happy he is when you two are together.